Problem number 5 from practice set 3.4 given on page number 78. The problem says that the temperature of Kargil on 6 consecutive days from Monday to Saturday are in AP. The temperature of Wednesday is minus 30 degrees centigrade, and the relation between the temperature of Monday, Saturday and Tuesday, Saturday is given to you. Now, what is that relation given? The sum of the temperatures of Monday and Saturday is 5 degrees centigrade more than the sum of the temperatures of Tuesday and Saturday. So we have to find out the temperatures of the remaining 5 days, because Wednesday's temperature is already given to you as minus 30 degrees centigrade. Let us begin with the solution. Okay, the temperature of Kargil from Monday to Saturday are in AP. This is already given in the problem. Let the temperatures of these days be as shown in this table. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Let us consider Wednesday's temperature as A. तो इसके आगे वाले A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D आएंगे. And the temperatures of Tuesday will be A minus D, A minus 2D. So this is the way we have considered the temperatures of 6 days in a week. Now, according to given condition, what is given? The sum of temperatures of Monday and Saturday. तो Monday का temperature A minus D, Saturday का temperature A plus D, इन दोनों की sum. It is 5 degrees centigrade more. 5 degrees centigrade more. यहाँ पे 5 ही ले लेता हूँ. Units हम लोग calculations में नहीं लिखते. 5 degrees centigrade more than what? The sum of the temperatures of Tuesday and Saturday. Tuesday और Saturday का जो टोटल आ रहा है उससे 5 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड ये मंडे और सैटरडे के टेम्परेचर की टोटल है. सो वी हैव कन्वर्टेड दैट इंफॉर्मेशन इनटू एन इक्वेशन. वेरी क्लियरली A plus 3D is there on both sides, so that cancels. So you are left with A minus 2D on the left side, A minus D on the right side, plus 5 here. यहाँ से A कैंसिल हो जाएगा, माइनस D को लेफ्ट में ट्रांसफर कर दो, प्लस D हो जाएगा. Minus 2D plus D will be minus D is equal to 5, so D is equal to minus 5 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. यानी टेम्परेचर 5 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड रोज कम होते जाएगा. ये उसका मैथमेटिकल इंटरप्रिटेशन. नाउ वेडनेसडेज टेम्परेचर इज minus 30. What is Wednesday's temperature? A. So A is equal to minus 30 degree centigrade. Therefore, Monday's temperature A minus 2D. अभी आपको दोनों मिल गए, A भी मिल गया और D आपने खुद ही कैलकुलेट किया. A और D मालूम है तो बाकी सब अपने आप मिल ही जाएगा. बस आपको यहाँ पर उनकी वैल्यूज डालते जाना है. You will get the temperatures of remaining 5 days. So Monday's temperature is A minus 2D. यहाँ लिखा है Monday's temperature. Let us put the values of A and D and calculate. The temperature of Monday will be minus 20 degree centigrade. Tuesday's temperature A minus D, that is minus 30 minus of minus 5, so this becomes plus 5. Minus 30 plus 5 will be minus 25 degree centigrade. Thursday's temperature A plus D, यहाँ बीच में एक छूट गया, कौन सा? Wednesday's temperature, but it is already given, so why should we calculate? Wednesday's temperature is minus 30, so we are skipping Wednesday and moving to Thursday. Thursday's temperature A plus D, A is minus 30, D is minus 5, तो ये आ जाएगा minus 35 degree centigrade. Friday's temperature A plus 2D, A is minus 30, D की वैल्यू minus 5, calculate, it comes out to be minus 40 degree centigrade. Saturday's temperature A plus 3D, minus 30, plus 3 into minus 5, minus 15, minus 30, minus 15 comes out to be minus 45 degree centigrade. Now in this exercise, there are 6 sums, out of which 3 I have solved. The remaining 3 are very simple sums which I expect all the students to solve on their own. They are very simple examples. But there are some very good examples in the problem set. I'll solve those examples for you in the next lecture.